അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today's video has 4 kinds of Tamil Nadu style variety rice recipes. The first one is tomato rice recipe. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of rice cooked with salt, 2 onions finely chopped, 6 tomatoes finely chopped, mustard seeds 1 spoon, chana dal 1 spoon, urad dal 1 spoon, 2 green chilies slit in the middle, curry leaves, turmeric powder half spoon, Kashmiri chili powder 1 spoon, homemade biryani masala 1 spoon, coriander leaves, asafodia 1 to 2 pinches. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add the green chilies, chana dal and urad dal and saute until the dal becomes golden brown. Then add the onions and fry them until they turn slightly brown. Add the chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani powder, asafodia and mix well. Then add the tomatoes and cook it until the tomato onion mix turns mushy and oil starts separating from the mixture. Then add the cooked rice to the kadai and mix it thoroughly well until the rice and the tomato mixture mixes completely. Finally, garnish the tomato rice with coriander leaves. Pack it for yours or your child's lunch with your favorite vegetable. The next recipe is puliyogare or tamarind rice without using any puliyogare mix. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of cooked rice, gingerly oil 2 spoons, 1 cup of tamarind water taken from a lemon-sized ball of tamarind. Mustard seeds 1 spoon, urad dal 1 spoon, chana dal 1 spoon, roasted peanuts 50 grams, chili powder 1 spoon, coriander powder 1 spoon, peanut powder 1 spoon, pepper powder half spoon, jeera powder half spoon, powdered mustard seeds 1 spoon, jaggery powder 1 spoon or a small piece of jaggery, red chilies 2 to 3, coriander for garnishing, curry leaves, salt for taste. Heat 2 spoons of gingerly oil in a kadai. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add the urad dal and chana dal. Once they turn slightly brown, add the red chilies and curry leaves. Then add the pepper powder, coriander powder, chili powder, peanut powder and fry for 30 seconds. Then add the tamarind water, asafodia and add the required amount of salt. Keep stirring the mixture until the tamarind water boils and gets thicker. Add the powdered jaggery to the tamarind water. Once it comes into this consistency, switch off the flame. Then add the cooked rice to the kadai and mix it thoroughly well. After this, add the roasted peanuts and garnish the tamarind rice with coriander leaves. Tamarind rice is one of the variety rice served in temples in Tamil Nadu. The next rice recipe is the very simple coconut rice, which is also served in Tamil Nadu temples as prasad. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, roasted peanuts 50 grams, mustard seeds 1 spoon, chana dal 1 spoon, urad dal 1 spoon, red chilies 2, 2 green chilies slit in the middle, curry leaves, coriander leaves, grated carrots for garnishing. The first step is to grind the grated coconut just once by adding 1 green chili. Make sure you don't add any water. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai and add the mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add the urad dal and chana dal and once they turn golden brown, add the green chilies, red chilies and curry leaves and roasted peanuts and saute for 30 seconds. Then add the ground coconut to the kadai and add salt and saute for a minute. Then add the cooked rice and mix it well. Garnish the coconut rice with grated carrots and coriander leaves. You can pack the yummy coconut rice for your child's lunch or serve it hot to your family. The last recipe is a simple curd rice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup rice cooked, thick creamy curd 1 cup, milk 1 cup, urad dal and chana dal 1 spoon each, mustard seeds 1 spoon, curry leaves, two green chilies slit in the middle, coriander leaves, 1 small piece ginger finely chopped, grated carrot for garnishing, pomegranate for garnishing, salt for taste. Add the curd to the rice and mix well. Add the milk little by little to the rice. We usually add milk so that the curd rice doesn't turn sour. Add little salt and keep mixing curd and milk to make sure that the curd rice doesn't become thick. Add the ginger and green chilies and mix well. In a tatka pan, add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal and curry leaves. Once the dal turns golden brown, switch off the flame and add this to the curd rice. Finally, garnish the curd rice with grated carrots, coriander leaves and pomegranate. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.